Hello guys, hope you are doing great. I'm Sampath. Today I will show you how to upload our targeted companies on LinkedIn Sales Navigator and collect that company's decision makers information. Suppose for example, if you can see here we have 7 million results based on our targeted search results. But what we need is we need particular company's decision makers. So for that what we need to do is we have a LinkedIn Sales Navigator code plan. Suppose for example, if you can see here we have a targeted companies list. These are e-commerce jewelry stores. So we need to upload these companies on Sales Navigator and collect these companies decision makers information. Today I will show you how to do that. If you want my targeted LinkedIn data scraping services also, you can directly contact me. I mentioned my contact details in the video description box. You can directly message me on WhatsApp. If you want like email list, cold calling list, or Instagram scrapping, LinkedIn scrapping, e-commerce list, or anything like that, I can help you with that. Suppose for example, if you want 50k results to scrap, 100k results to scrap, also I can scrap and I can provide you with possible verified email IDs and direct dials. Now let us jump into the topic. So for example, first here we need to go to the accounts. See here I have already downloaded this company's list. So first we have to go to the Sales Navigator. If we can go to the Sales Navigator, here we have an account. We need to go to that account. So if we can see here, upload contact accounts. See, for example, if you have a LinkedIn Sales Navigator normal plan, you might not have a chance to see this feature. Make sure you need LinkedIn Sales Navigator code plan. Then only we can have a chance to use this filter. This feature. So here, what I'm going to do is once we go to the accounts, I need to upload that list. I'm uploading that list. So for example, you can see here, save your file as CSV, maximum file size of 20 MB. If available, include one of these following fields. Otherwise, include this account name and other attributes. I'm just clicking continue. So now browse for a CSV on your computer, drag and drop one here. Okay, I'm just going to my downloads. Here, this is my downloaded file. And just clicking that one. So once I click this one here, map the column headers in your CSV LinkedIn account fields. Okay, I am just clicking company name. Then after I'm just clicking website and just clicking continue. So once I click continue, name your account name. Okay, jewelry store sheet 1. Okay, then after I'm just clicking finish. So once we click the finish, then we can see here process is started. See here we have uploaded this file here and the process already started. See 5% completed. So it will take few minutes to complete 100%. But once we 100% is completed, we can have a chance to see sheet here, this account list, so that we can apply that like our targeted companies. So here we can see the results change based on our targeted companies only. So it will take a few minutes to complete the process. See, once it's done, we can see here our targeted search results. Make sure we need to adjust like 2.5k or 2k, less than 2.5k. If results are 2.5k, we cannot scrap all the ones. We can only scrap first 2500. So it will be like a mess actually. So for that, what we need to do is we need to apply filters up to here 2k or 1.5k, something like that. So then after we will scrap the data. See, for scrapping LinkedIn data, what we need to do is I use this tool called Evaboot. For example, I am opening this tool, Evaboot. So I use this tool for LinkedIn scrapping. So I also, once we scrap the data from this tool, I also enrich through Apollo to get the maximum email IDs. So here I'm just going to this tool. So it is logging actually. So in few seconds it will log in. Meanwhile, we will check how much percentage it completed. 38% completed. So in just 5 minutes, it will complete like 100%. So meanwhile, if you need, as I said, if you need LinkedIn data services, you can directly contact me. You can just click this link. It will redirect to my chart, so that if you have any services, we can discuss, be it related to B2B and web scraping. So if you want targeted search results email list, or if you want targeted search results direct cold calling list, I can provide you, or if you want Instagram scrapping, e-commerce list, recently funded companies list, so targeted companies decision makers list, billing, anything like that, you can directly approach me. So here, if you can see here, 67% completed. See, this is the tool I use for scrapping the LinkedIn data. So once we apply the targeted filters here, then I will use this tool to scrap the data. It is loading. So 73% completed, 79% completed. See here, if you can see here in the sheet, I have already scrapped previously some results from this such data, from this data. So make sure I have noted this data actually, note this points, which data I have collected. Uh, so now we can skip this data already collected. Now we will collect the remaining data. Suppose for example, self-employed 1 to 10, 51 to 200, these employee says we will skip. So remaining employee says we can apply and collect. So you can see here, I just collected 2400 only, because if it's a 2500 plus, it will be difficult to manage now and cover everything. So here you can see already I have scrapped that results. The same results I have scrapped. Here you can see the results actually. So I will also show you once I will download this file, and I will also show you how data looks like. So here you can see 100% completed. So now 100% completed. Now once it's process done, we can go to the lead filters. Okay, now 848 companies got mapped. So here we can see how many companies total are. I'm just scrolling down a little bit more. So we have around 884 companies. Out of 884, 848 companies got mapped. These are e-commerce companies. These are little big but pretty good actually. 848 means. Now we will go to the lead filters. Once we go to the lead filters, so you can check this one, the sheet name, jewelry store sheet 1. Okay, so now here we can go to the lead filters. So make sure please check that this is a lead search, and this is an account search. Okay, so we went to the accounts and uploaded this file. Now here, this is the leads filters. So make sure please recheck that actually. Don't get confused about that. So now here you can see account list. Okay, so workflow persona account list. So here we need to apply the sheet actually. So whatever the sheet we uploaded here, we can have a chance to see here, and we need to apply that sheet here. So once we apply that sheet, automatically results will change. So based on our targeted companies here, and based on these titles, results will change, and we can simply collect the data once it's done. See, it will take few seconds to load, because we uploaded we have changed 7 million data to some other data. So that's why definitely it will take some time to load. But once it's loaded, we can simply see the results. Now you can see 4K plus results. So now what we need to do is, already I have collected these data points. See, so previously I have collected, as I said, we need to skip these employee sizes like self-employed 5 to 10 and 51 to 200. So now I will go to the employee size. Once I go to the employee size head count, I will apply different employee size companies. It is okay, head count. Just clicking the head count. Once I click the head count, so remaining filters already I have applied here. If you can see here, job titles, uh, positions and all, locations and all, I have already applied. I'm just trying to apply like this company head count. Once it's done, we will simply scrap the data. I will also download previously scrapped data and show you that one also. Now we have finished 1 to 10, now 11 to 50, and I need to click 11 to 50 because we have not collected the 11 to 50. So next 51 to 200 is done. Next 200 to 500 we need to collect. Next 200 to 500. Okay. So I'm just clicking 200 to 500. So we will wait and see the results, how many results we will see. Then after we will go with another employee size companies, because we just need less than should be like 2000 plus or 1.5 k plus. It's not more than that actually. If it's more than that, we cannot cover every data. So here, if you can see here, we have account list. Here, if you can observe here, I have mentioned all the job titles, seniority levels. Make sure I skip the manager level, entry level people. Like here, I mentioned seniority level based on these job titles. Then after geography, United States. So because here excluded, why I excluded here managers and all this, I need some top level positions only. So now here we have 1k plus results only. I will also here apply this one 501 to 1000, so that we will get 1.5k plus. Right. So here this one also we can have a chance to apply, so that we will get 2k data once. So what I will do is now I will apply. Sometimes it will take time to load because we are dealing with some large amount of data sets. So for applying and all, it will take little time for doing process everything. But it won't take much time, like 10 to 20 minutes only for overall process. Here I will apply 500 to 1000 too. Next I will also apply 5000 to 10,000, because make sure results should be not more than 1500 plus or 2000 plus. So you can see here the page load, it's because of the data we are loading actually. So we have uploaded a file, plus we are dealing with large amount of data sets. Sometimes it will take time to load and all. So now here we have approximately earlier 1k plus. Now it might be like 1.5k plus. So here we will see again like which one we can apply better. See here, I will also click the 5000 to 10,000 one, so that we can see here 2k plus. So 2k plus is a good amount actually. So we can simply click and collect the data. So these are like extremely large companies. Uh, I don't think we will get very less companies on this employee size, but data might be more. So because these are the jewelry stores, guys, like US based e-commerce jewelry stores. So collecting these companies decision makers using some different using direct Apollo, Dosha and all is little difficult. So that's why we are directly uploading into the sales navigator, and we are collecting that information. So then only we will get some large amount of data. So otherwise, like it will be difficult to get these companies decision makers information. So it is loading. So make sure we need patience for this. Otherwise, if we did some mistake, if we close and if we come back again it will take, it will be like this only, like we will stuck with again we need to start something from fresh. So again, see, you can see here we have spent 15 minutes already to do everything. So again we need to spend more 15 minutes. So if we have a patience, like if we can wait until that loaded, it will be solved actually. So now we have 2k plus results. Now we have our targeted results. So as I said, results should be not more than 2k. So now here you can see we have all the targeted search filters, and we have here targeted results. Now, as I said, I'm using this tool to scrap the data. So I'm just clicking here this tool Chrome extension. Already I have subscribed to the premium plan. So now I'm just clicking the thing, this one, Chrome extension. Once we click the Chrome extension, in just 2-3 minutes, it will load completely. So it will load and it will try to grab the data, whatever the data or filters we have applied, this 2000 data. So you can see here, it is loading. So once it's loaded, it will redirect. So we need to wait 2 to 3 minutes to complete everything. So once we wait everything, so you can see here, reboot, uh, redirecting to Everboot here. So you can see here, this one is Everboot launching the export. So we just need to add the file name here actually. So now you can see no emails, export LinkedIn data, with emails, export LinkedIn data plus find PO email IDs. Yes, we need this only, export LinkedIn data with PO email IDs. Next, we need to give the name. What shall we give? Okay, jewelry store sheet 1. Sheet 1.2. Okay, now 2140 data points. I'm just clicking export. So once we click the export, so you can see the process is ongoing. So now here in just 1 minute, you can see the process is on. Here you can see export, exporting ready in 30 minutes. So you can see here file is loading. It will take again 15 minutes to finish all the process. Once it's done, we can simply see here, you can see here, these are the files already I have downloaded previously. So this one I have scrapped yesterday itself only. So using one account, we can scrap only 2500 results. Suppose for example, what I do is if I want to scrap 10,000 results per day, I have like 4 Sales Navigator accounts. I have completely 7 Sales Navigator account setups. So I use all those accounts to scrap 15K per day actually. So I have two computers, each computer having a three accounts. My team member also having a one account, so that we can combinedly grab 15,000 data per day using this method actually. So here you can see the export started actually. It will take more 15 minutes to complete all the process. Meanwhile, I will download this file actually, this 2400 file. And see, out of 2466, we got like around 120 and 100, sorry, 1272 email IDs. I will download this data and show you how data looks like. See, I not only stick with this actually. So next I will go to the Apollo IO to using this data, LinkedIn URLs, I will collect more email IDs, possible email IDs, so that at the end we will get the good amount of email IDs. So, and finally we need to verify those and use it the data. So here I'm just opening this file. I'm just closing this one, make sure email IDs. So here you can see first name, last name we have. So we have the job title, we have what is the job title, we have like the LinkedIn URL here, personal LinkedIn URL. This is what I said, like we have collected 200 email IDs, right? Next I will go again Apollo to collect the more maximum email IDs. At the end, I will compare both and I will remove, I will verify both the email IDs and I will remove unverified ones. I will add only verified ones and merge it everything once together at the end actually. So if you want Apollo tutorials, you can go to my YouTube channel and check those also. So next we have here LinkedIn, direct LinkedIn. This is the beauty here. We will get the direct LinkedIn URL. If you want LinkedIn outreach automation also, we can use this data. So here we have Sales Navigator URL, we have company name, we have company domain name. So many fields we have here. We have company employee size. we have here company industry. You can see here we have the company description, blah blah blah, something something. Like here we have the company location, year founded. So again, person, job title, how many years he's currently working in this position. So how many connections he is having, something like that. Person, location. So yes, position in months, years. So we can see here full name. Here we can see the person, industry, and all. So we have almost each and every column here, each and every field which is available on LinkedIn. So if I can scroll down a little bit up to here, we can see 2,467 results actually. So if you want direct phone number also, we can collect actually. So I have tools like Lucia, and I also have tools like Apollo phone numbers enrichment. Like we can collect possible phone numbers also with these LinkedIn URLs. So hardly like out of 2,500, we may get 20 to 25% phone numbers. So this is it, guys. Like this is how it works actually. So this is the file. This is the file. First, I have downloaded the file. So once I have downloaded the file, I went to the this LinkedIn account section. I simply uploaded. So once I have uploaded, so have filtered my targeted search results. For example, here employee size, company headcount, current job title, seniority level. So and you can see here location and all. So here we have here targeted search results. So make sure a result should be not more than 2K plus. For me, like I don't cross more than 2K plus. So because if it's like 4K, 5K, we can only grab first 2000. So it will be difficult to again collect exactly next ones actually. So for that, make sure we need to filter it out 2000 2K results first. Then after we will scrap. Then after again we filter the balance data and we can scrap it. So this way we can have a chance to collect the all data actually. So this is it, guys. Like as I said, if you want my services, LinkedIn data scraping services, you can directly contact me. You can just click this link and it will redirect to my chart. Not only a LinkedIn data scraping, if you want Instagram data scraping, can also do that. Custom web scraping, I can also do that. Cold calling list, anything related to B2B list building and web scraping, you can contact me, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Here you can just click and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.